Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel.
My name is Sharif Ashifa Yasmin.
What is your name?
My name Lutfia Nabila Zati.
Where do you live?
My live in Bamba.
Where do you live? I live.
Jalan Abu Bakar Ramli.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 9.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school SDN 1 Endrekang.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school SD 1 Endrekang.
What class are you in?
I'm 5 class.
What class are you in?
Class 3.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on foot.
What is your mother's name?
My father's name.
Mother. What is your mother's name?
Mother's name Reski Meilasha.
What is your mother's name?
My name's
My mother's name.
my mother's name Mulyati.
What is your father's name?
My father's name Sheikh Iqbal.
What is your father's name?
My name my father's name Zulfikar.
What is your mother's job?
My father's job security.
What is your mother's job? Mother's job?
My pekerjaan rumah. Pekerjaan rumah apa gitu?
Okay, what is your hobby?
What is your hobby? Berenang.
My hobby is
My hobby is
swimming.
swimming.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink mango.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color blue.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is cat.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is cat.
Okay. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is juice.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink mango.
How many brothers do you have?
I have brother 2.
How many brothers do you have?
Apa?
I have
I
saudara laki-laki. I have no brother.
no. I have no brother.
How many sisters do you have?
1.
How many sisters do you have?
1.